Greetings! This is Edward Ojambo. Ojambo.com has an article about HTML frames navigation. In the previous tutorial, we did HTML frames. This one, its link is ojambo.com/HTML-frames-navigation. In this case, you'll be able to click and load some other information in a specific frame. Sponsor for this video is ojamboshop.com, where you can find templates for WordPress, such as my conversion 06 for WordPress. And now let's begin with this tutorial. So you need a text editor for HTML and a browser to view the output. The entire source code is available at ojambo.com. So let's begin. I'm going to load up Guinea again. Create 4 files. The first one will be our main HTML file. Just call it HTML frames. Ojambo.com HTML frames demo. This part is going to be exactly the same as the previous tutorial. Video 0041 Ojambo HTML frames. Once again, we have a frame set. The first 2 columns basically mean that it's going to be a 2-column frame. And the rows, the first row, you can use asterisk or 100%. The file that's going to be loaded is going to be called html-frame-left.html. We'll give it a name so we can target it. Just copy paste. And then for the second column, the rows are going to be 50% each. And then there's going to be 2 files loaded. Okay, the first one will be the right top. And this, we'll give it a name as well if you want to target it. And the bottom will be right bottom. And give it a name as well so you can target it. Okay, now we'll create the second file, which would be the left file. That's loaded in the left part of the frame. Or the left frame, sorry. This is just a simple HTML. I'll zoom in here so you guys can see what's happening. This is a H1 just header. This would just be called left frame. Let's give it a title. Title is not necessary because that won't be loaded up. Then we'll create another file, another HTML file. This is going to be the right top. This content will be loaded in the right column on the top. We'll zoom in. Ojambo.com HTML frame right top demo. Then just an H1, just content. You can put whatever content you want. It could be pictures, links, and videos. Okay. Then one more, the last frame we're going to create is going to be the right bottom content. It's going to be a slight deviation from the one we created before. For the title will be the same, just be HTML frame right bottom demo. Once again, the first content will be just the header part, just the H1 tags right bottom. And then give it gonna create a link. So when this link is clicked, we're going to load the right top frame. And the target will be the left. Remember the name we created? Right, there we go. Remember this name here, left? That's where the target is. So we can run our file now in your favorite browser. Load it up in Chrome. As you can see here, when I click here, watch the left frame. See, the input is changed. Sponsor for this video is ojamboshop.com. That's a tutorial sponsor where you can get WordPress templates. The tutorial can be found at ojambo.com. I hope you find this information useful. Please visit and leave feedback.